Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jamil once again. So today we are going to talk about on live market or Nasdaq 100. The way prices move, it seems like market is completely negative. And the last time we have done discussed from here, if you see the video, we have done discuss after closing this market. It's a news market. Market carries some good news. The reason after touching 12,700 market continuously started going on the higher side, and another day we have discussed market cannot go on the higher side like that because 700 13,000 130,000 is round level. That's the round level market need to respect. What I mean by respect, if they wants to go on the higher side, there's a seller. If I zoom out the chart to make you more understand the price, let me zoom out the chart. Here you go. It's continuously on the selling pressure. So that way, if market whenever try to go on the higher side, each and every higher swing, market going to face a resistance. Resistance means seller are going to short the market, which is 13,200, 13,100, even 13,000. But the closing was above 13,000 round level that day. Then we was thinking, if you want to buy in the market, then planning after 12:30 to 1:30. After 12:30 to 1:30, that means the second half. Most of the time in second half, professional buyer are in the market, professional player are traded on that market. So right that day after closing on the first time, the way we have discussed exactly, market was sustaining. It was completely on a confusing stage on first half, but on second half nearby 1:30, if I didn't say wrong, 1:30, nearby 1 p.m. market try to break on 13,100. We have discussed that if 13,100 200 breakout, if any price action, we will buy in the market, but there was no any sign. The moment he break out, is immediately breakout has been failed here. So there's a sign that buyer are not sustaining here on the upside. So those are the player who buy from here, they are not getting confidence to buy in the market. So there is no any where you think that market could go on the higher side, whether buyer are not interested. So if you are interested, then it's completely a negative view for you. So right now market is sustaining 13,000 round level. That's another crucial point for the buyer. Previous time it was completely on the resistance as continuously as a support. So as you know, important support and resistance, if it is continuously heated by the price, chances are very high it will break down or it will break out. So right now it has been break down below 13,000 round level. So what we could expect here, suppose it is resistance 13,000, market is sustaining right now trading that 12,900 nearby. So if he wants to go on the higher side, so what we could plan, so market after seeing this candle, buyer look, those player who short 13,100 30,000 round level, they're going to defend their line. So if market wants to go on the higher side, definitely after first time hitting the resistance, seller will be are confident to sell in the market. So from this here, chance I better it can be fall down like that. So right now 13,000 12,900 is crossing right now. You need to be conscious. If you are buyer, do make sure after hitting 13,000 round level, market need to spending the time. If it is sustaining a time till 1:30 to 12:30 1:30, right now is at 11:46 current market. So it's need to sustain. If market wants to go on the higher side, it's need to go pull back from here and start to continuously making sideways market till 1:30. After 1:30, if in anything positive, then chances are very high market is trying to go trend. Right now trend is negative, then it could be reversal trend for the positive. The way market right now where he's trading. So our planning should be, if you want to sell in the market, no doubt you can short the call. If you're option trader, then 13,100 13,000 round level could be very important call option. You can short this kind of call option till market is not spending the time. It need to spend the time. If it is spending the time, then buy or accumulate here. In future it can be break out on the upside. But right now 12,800, so right at 12,800 is another support for the market. So it can be down, can be come down like that. So in future if it is come down, then 700 is no more important. 700, 12,600, 12,500, we could see within 2 to 3 day market can safely fall like that, because the way market is moved, there is range. It was important range for the buyer. The day market was sustaining here, it was a sign for us that chances are very it can go on the higher side. but instead of going on the higher side, he was making reversal and lower low. He is making lower low here. So whenever market try to go on the higher side, if you see any negative candle, you can definitely short in the market unless market is start to spend the time. If it's hit your SL, then you can get the confidence that chances are very high in future market can reversal from here. So unless now market is completely negative, so do not be panic, because it might be for news that we don't know, maybe global news, but the way price move, that's a sign that market is negative till now. We will do everyday analysis to understand the price movement, but for now it's completely negative. We could see very soon at 800, 12,800, 750, 700, even 12,500. 12,500 could be the seller target, because 12,500 is very important support for the market. That to be in future, not right now. If seller wants to sell, definitely they need to break those resistance, those support 12,750, 12,800. So right now, as you see that market is sustaining below 13,000, it need to sustain till 1230 to 130. If you see the time is 130, 130 cross and market is still sustaining 13,000 below, you can aggressively sell in the market till this next support. After hitting the support, it need to sideways, then it will fall down again, the way prices move. So in daily time frame, if I show you the chart, here you go. If is it is completely selling pressure, there's a first pullback, as you know, contours is selling pressure. First pullback always give you opportunity for the selling. So sellers sell again, sellers selling again. This price going to be important for the buyer. If buyer are interested here and any good news will come in the market, definitely price will move with a rocket like that. If it is not, definitely we could see a downfall from here. So price action is going to be confirmed for the selling or for the buying. For this market, let the market decide. After reaching this range, 12,750 and 700, this range will going to be deciding range where market wants to go. If any positive news, market can go on the higher side. If anything negative, the price action will become a negative downtrend. So I hope you understand all of my point, friends. And if I see anything important price movement in future, definitely I will do analysis like that. So try to understand the market. Do not run for a strategy and anything for selling, call sell, or any tips is better. If it is take a time for you, then um, let yourself take the time to understand the market. That's easy, everything on the chart. Ask yourself why price is down, going down. Ask yourself what is the reason market is going. Do not see any news. We don't have to see, because as a retail trader, you just need to understand. You just need to trade and save your capital. This is our main target. And I hope you enjoy the video, friends, and I will see you in the next video again. Thank you very much.